Simplify. 9x cubed times y squared, all divided by 3x to the 8 times y to the negative 3. In this situation, we're going to divide 9 by 3, which is 3. Then when we divide x cubed by x to the 8th, we subtract the powers. So we have x to the 3 minus 8. For y, we also are going to subtract those exponents, so it would be y raised to the 2 minus a negative 3. Simplifying further, this would be equal to 3x to the negative 5, and then y to the positive 5. Again, we do not want to leave negative exponents, so we would rewrite our answer as 3y to the 5th over x to the 5th.